Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a grade, and then a program will compute the average grade and it will display the letter grade using Java programming language. We will call our program Computation of Grades in Java. So we have here a problem. Assessment number 1, computation of grades. Problem: allow the user to import scores, then compute and display the average and descriptive rating. Notes: by default, perfect score per assessment is 10. Descriptive rating 91 to 100, the letter grade is A. 81 to 90, the letter grade is B. 71 to 80, the letter grade is C. 61 to 70, the letter grade is D. 60 and below, the letter grade is E. So we have here the sample output. Number of grade 3, 555. Your grade is 50, descriptive rating is E. Now let us go with the code. So we have here public import Java util scanner, public class grade, public static void main string args, scanner input, new scanner. So we have here an array scores. We have the maximum is 100, average, total underscore sum, number of grades, which has initialized to 0, car grade for letter grade, int grades I. So we have here the title, computation of grades in Java. So we are asking the user here to give the number of grades. It will be stored in our variable number of grades using a for loop statement. I equals I less than or equal to number of grades increment. So it will accept scores, bracket, element I, input, and then here we will add the sum of the score, and then it will compute the average by this formula. Average equals total underscore sum, number of grades multiplied by 10, and then we have here the grades. We will remove this one, new line, string output. If grades greater than or equal to 91 and grades less than 100, the letter grade is A. Else if grades greater than or equal 81 ampersand grades less than 90, grade is B. Else if grades greater than equal 71 and grades less than equals 80, grade is C. Else if grades greater than or equal to 61 and grades less than or equal to 70, grades is D. Else is grades less than or equal to 60, the grade is E. The output is your grade, descriptive rating, new line in output. We close the scanner input and then we close the class of our grades. Let us run the code so that we can see the result. Let's see how many grades. We have 5, so 6, 8, 9. We have a perfect score of 10, 6. So the grade is 70. The descriptive rating is D. Another example. Okay, so we have 4 grades. We have 8, 6, 8, 6, 7, and 10. So the grade is 70, descriptive rating is D. Last example, we have 3, we have 8, we have 10, and 10. The grade is 90, descriptive rating is B. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free. So this is the end of our tutorial video on computation of grades in Java. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.